Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday to everybody. If you have not got one of these shower heads, I'm telling y'all, it's a must-have. I mean, I had got this for my birthday, but yeah, I'm in love. So, just telling y'all, you know, you don't have to, but you won't do that. But yeah, just enjoying myself right now. Taking a quick rinse off as usual and relaxing. But yeah, this is the best. I'm telling y'all, the best. And it's so damn cheap too. So damn cheap. I don't spend money just to spend money. So never did, and never have, and never will.